Hello students and welcome to our channel. So today we are going to start with new chapter, that is height and distance. See, in this chapter we have two concepts. The one is angle of elevation and the other one is angle of depression. Now see, let's suppose AB is a tower. This AB is a tower and this is a point C from where certain observer is seeing this star. So this point C from where observer is standing, he is seeing this star. So this line is called what? This line is called line of sight. Now when he is seeing this object, so he is, and this line with the base of this is called horizontal. So the angle which is made by line of sight with horizontal, this angle is called what? Angle of elevation. So here this theta is angle of elevation. Now let's suppose I have another condition. I can say man is standing over here, like man is sitting here and he is observing certain thing from here. So he is observing an object at point C. Now man is where? At A. So this is what? Line of sight. Now this line of sight, the angle made by line of sight with horizontal. So here there is no horizontal. So I'll roughly draw an horizontal line over here. So the angle made by this horizontal line, this is called what? Angle of depression. Now for calculation we consider this, because this line, I'll construct it like AD. AD line will be parallel to BC. So this angle becomes equal to this. So this angle of elevation will be equal to what? Angle of depression. In calculations we consider this angle. This is only to draw a diagram and to explain that in question angle of depression was given, therefore we have drawn diagram like this. And if question angle of elevation is given, we draw a diagram like this. Now see here, the calculation is very easy. Let's suppose they mention in question AB is a tower and a man is standing, or we can say from a point in the ground, an angle is observed, elevation is observed. So we have to find height of the tower and certain distance they mention. So according to the trigonometric ratios only, that is tan theta perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is this height. We can calculate height if this horizontal distance is given. Similarly, if they ask line of sight, so we can calculate sin theta equal perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now we'll see the question related to this concept only. So the question is, length of shadow of vertical tower is √3 times height. Find angle of elevation. Now see, this is vertical tower. I'll assume this AB to be a vertical tower. Obviously, इसका shadow कहाँ होगा? This will be its shadow. Now, if I'm considering this as a point, so from this point, this is line of sight. So this angle will be what? Angle of elevation. And they have given shadow of a, इसकी जो length है, the length of shadow of a vertical tower. This will be shadow na. So its length, I'll consider AB be the tower of height h. So its length will be what? √3h. So I'll write it over here. Let height of tower AB is h. Length of shadow, shadow क्या है? BC. Length of shadow BC is √3h. So we have to compare between perpendicular, this is the perpendicular related to this theta, this is perpendicular and this is base. So in triangle ABC, I can write tan theta equals perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is h by √3h. H and h will be cancelled out. So tan theta will be 1 by √3. 1 by √3 is the value of tan 30. So thus theta will be what? 30 degrees. So now the question is, angle of elevation of a top of a tower at a distance 120 meter from its foot on horizontal plane is found to be 30 degree. Find height of the tower. So see, I'll assume AB to be the height of the tower. This AB is what? Height of the tower. Angle of elevation. Obviously ये angle यहाँ से बनेगा. Angle of elevation at a distance 120 meter from foot. This is foot of the tower. So this is what? This distance is 120 meter. Now this is angle of elevation, and this angle of elevation is given to us, that is 30 degree. Now again we have to compare here between perpendicular and base. So we'll apply same formula. I'll write it over here. Let AB be height of tower and C is point of observation. So BC is equals to what? 120 meter, and angle ACB is equals to 30 degree. So same in triangle ABC, tan 30 degree is what? Perpendicular upon base, that is AB by BC. This is equals to H by 120. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So we'll write H by 120. This implies that H is equals to 120 by root 3. Thus, its value will be approximate 69.28 meter. So now the question is, a guard observes an enemy boat from an observation tower at a height of 180 meter above the sea level. Let's suppose this is a sea level. Okay, now here is a tower. Here is a guard. Now this guard is observing another enemy boat to be at an angle of depression of 29 degree. Calculate distance of boat from foot of the tower. Now we are provided that height of the tower is what? 180 meter. We have to calculate foot of the tower, that means this x, and here angle of depression. So angle of depression is 29 degree. So I'll assume this angle of elevation also to be 29 degree. So we'll write each and everything whatever we have assumed. Let AB be the height of the observation tower and A is the position of the guard from where he is observing enemy boat, which is at point C at an angle of depression of 29 degree. So this is also 29 degree. This all you have to write it over here. I'll only solve it. So now in triangle ABC, tan 29, again relation is between perpendicular and base only. AB by BC. AB is what? 180 upon x. Tan 29, this value will be provided to you in question itself, because we know only the value, we learn only the values of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So tan 29 will be provided to you and its value is 0.5543. This is equals to 180 by x. Thus on solving, we'll get x to be 325 meter approximately. So this x is the distance of boat from foot of the tower. Yeah, distance of boat from foot of the tower. Now in second case they have mentioned at some time it is observed that boat is 200. Now ये boat क्या हो गई? Boat की position is this. Boat is 200 meter away from foot of the tower. That means this horizontal distance is given to us. Now what we have to calculate? New angle of depression we have to calculate. So we'll again apply same in triangle AC-B, tan theta, because in this case we don't know what is the angle. Tan theta is 180 by 200, because this is perpendicular and this one is base. So 180 by 200 ko when we'll solve it, so we'll get 0.9, and this 0.9, this will also be provided to you in question itself. This is the value of tan 41 degree 59 seconds. Thus theta will be 41 degree 59 minutes. Sorry, this is 41 degree 59 minutes. So this is the theta, that is the new angle of depression. Now say in this question we have seen, if they are saying foot of the tower, distance of foot of the tower, distance of the boat from foot of the tower, we have calculated that also. If they are saying calculate new angle of depression, we have seen that also. So now the question is, two people standing on the same side of tower in straight line at an angle of elevation of 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. If height of tower is 70 meter, find distance between two people. Now see, I'll consider this AB to be a tower. So I'll consider its height is given 70 meter. You all have to write this thing. This theory portion I'm not writing it over here. I'll be just solving the question, but you have to write this theory portion over here. This AB be the height of the tower, and this is what, 70 meter. Now two people are standing on the same side. See, they have told same side. That means it can be either this side or it can be over here. So I'll consider two people. C is one people and D is the other people. Two people are standing over here at an angle of elevation. Angle of elevation क्या है? First वाले का है 30 degree and at an angle of elevation ये होगा 60 degree. जैसे जैसे हम टावर के पास में जाएंगे, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन गोज ऑन इंक्रीजिंग, तो हमेशा अंदर वाला एंगल ज़्यादा होगा एज कम्पेयर टू आउटर एंगल. नाउ व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, फाइंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पीपल, मतलब इन दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस. दैट मीन दे आर सेइंग टू कैलकुलेट CD. Now see, in this question what we'll do, we'll consider first triangle, that is ABC, because this is 90 degree. So we'll consider in triangle ABC tan 60. Tan 60 is what? AB by BC. Tan 60 will be root 3. AB is 70 by BC. So BC will be what? 70 by root 3. Now in second we'll take in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, here tan 30 will be what? AB by BD. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is given, that is 70, and BD we have to calculate. So BD here will be what? 70 root 3. Now we have to calculate what? CD distance. So this CD distance is equals to BD minus BC. So BD is what? 70 root 3 minus 70 by root 3. We'll solve it. We'll take root 3 as LCM. So we'll get 70 into 3, 210 minus 70. Thus the answer will be 140 by root 3 meter. This is distance between two people. So we have to mention that CD is the distance between two people, and that distance is 140 by root 3. So this is how we have discussed some questions related to height and distance. In my next video, I'll be discussing more questions related to same concept. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.